Welcome back to Auto House.
Overview. The
2026
Fiat Fullback Pickup is a fascinating blend of power and elegance, a true contender in the pickup class. This vehicle is not just a Fiat with a badge, but a Mitsubishi L200 in disguise. The Fullback is Fiat's first attempt at a pickup, and it has managed to base the truck's mechanical features on the well-established Mitsubishi L200. It features a double-cab body that offers more space and comfort. Power and performance. The Fullback is equipped with a 2.4-liter diesel engine. Two power outputs are available from this engine: 148 bhp and 178 bhp. The low-power model only comes with a manual transmission, while the other variant has the choice of manual or automatic transmission. The Fullback's solid construction is evident as soon as you start the engine. It rattles under hard acceleration, but settles down with a relatively quiet cruise. The steering offers good weight and more precision than many rivals. However, it's worth remembering that this is a pickup truck designed to haul more than a ton of cargo in the cargo area, tow more than 3 tons, and cope with rough off-road driving. Date of release. Although the exact release date for the Fiat Fullback Pickup 2025 has not yet been confirmed, it is expected to hit the market in late 2025. Price. The 2025 Fiat Fullback Pickup is expected to cost $12,000. However, given the pricing of previous models, it is expected to be competitively priced. Conclusion. The 2025 Fiat Fullback Pickup looks like a game-changer in the pickup class. With its strong performance, rugged durability, and expected competitive price, it is definitely a vehicle to watch out for in 2025. Stay tuned for more updates.